This is our data. Now here we have to use percent greater than sign, percent greater than sign, then percent. Then I can say like select. I have to select column, select. Then what I can say weight, serum, cholesterol. Okay, I can also copy from here. Weight, serum, cholesterol, and then systolic pressure, IQ, and until sodium. Control C. Weight, serum, cholesterol, all will be given by systolic pressure and then sodium. After sodium, bracket is closed. So two bracket, one other one. It will be closed here. This correlation. Now I can just tell about this correlation matrix. Control C, Control V. Correlation matrix. After that, I can just say now it's time for the correlation of determination. So whatever of determination, I can say the R square, SQURED squared, and that will be show here summary of model, this model correlation model here, and then relationship with model and R dot square D. I'm going to explain it. Now here for this first percent greater than sign percent, which we can call it a pip operator from there's from this library that normally used for chain operation in our programming. Is chain operation for 1 2 3 4 5 6 with 6 column, and then we can select it for all from data frame, and then a calculation correlation. Now the secondly for the R squared, this value from we get that's linear regression. This is the model of summaries R squared, and we can say R squared is display our regression model finally R dot square. So if we run it here, it's showing our all of regression here between weight. So now 4D question 4D here 4D say we want to write a regression model. So right for regression model it means we need to create a linear regression this equation. So for equation we need to write a regression model. So I can create a variable regression model. Then I can say the vector sign I can put it in the paste function. Yes, the paste. After paste, then I can write here our regression will be weight is equal to. So at first we need to put weight here. So WEIGHT weight. We just take one the data and in column name. But then here is equal this, and then it's comma. Wait, then now after say go to after the my second function is the first one will be the coefficient. So round I can write CUEFFICIENT as coefficients, and then after coefficients I can see the model here. So after the model, then it will be the first element, that means 1, and after that is comma and 2, then it's close. because first one no need to do anything, so it will be like 0 or something, and then sorry, then comma, and I need to put a plus sign, this plus sign for equation, so plus sign will be okay. First one done here. Now the second one I can copy it little bit because it will be almost same, just change little bit. Control C, Control V. Here I need to change it, it will be the 2 here, then coefficients model, everything is okay. uh, so before plus sign I have to write here the serum cholesterol. So serum cholesterol means I can write, just copy it. You also can copy it from your column, so I can write here the serum cholesterol plus scientist and comma. So after that I can copy it again, Control C, Control V, coefficients, and then serum cholesterol. After serum cholesterol it will be the systolic pressure. Oh sorry, our is like this. So and then systolic pressure, I made a mistake there at first. I have to say sorry. I didn't, I couldn't change it very well. So I just made a mistake in the name. I think it's not a big matter. Control C. And then here I have to write this question. So it will be 3, number with 3 here. So after 3, then again Control V. Sorry, I can copy it here. Control C. Yes, here Control V here. This means that then it will be IQ here. IQ. I go after I go. The last one will be the sodium. Last one will be sodium. So DIU and sodium. So after sodium is, since it's finished, so we don't need to put plus, just until this, and then it's finished. So that's done about to create the regression model here, and I need to create here 3. It will be the 4, and it will be 5. Okay, this is finished. Now I can just call it here to print it. Control C, Control V. Set run. So this is our regression, and sorry, I put here plus, it will be equal. I just press mistakenly click. Now say this is our coefficients. This is our regression model. So that's finished until 4D. Now question 2. Question 2 say that a student is interested to test whether there is a relationship between the gender course in her university. At her university, she randomly picked up the man and woman at her campus and asked them if their course prepared the natural and the social science, natural science and engineering. The result is shown follows. Can we calculate the two variables are related to each other by using 10% of significance level? Okay, since here this is a significance level 10%, so we can create here a chi-square test. We can create here the chi-square test here. So chi-square test, this means like let's say here, I'm gonna write chi-square test is a quotient 2. So quotient 2 here. Now we can write here that we have to create the table first, this table. So create a table, table, then we can write it as a matrix. Matrix also table, so matrix. Then this is a C, sorry. C here. After C, we can put these values to 16, 8, to 16, then 8. And after that will be 9, 15, 10 for men. 9, 15, and then 10. That's the value for this. And our row number will be in and row is equal to 2. Will be 2. And by row is equal to true. By row will be true. Will be true. Let's finish here until now here. Now we can create here the row names and column names. RWNAMES, row names. So row names will be the first for table row names, and then we can use this scene to. So row will be women and men. Women, and then second one will be men. Men. Women and men row name, and the column names. COLNAMES, column names. Column names, it is also function. You have to write this same spelling. Don't be change it. If you change it, will be show errors. So here also say we can table, and after table it will give us the NSSE. So I can write here NS, comma SS, comma so always E. NS, comma SS, comma E. So that's about until now it is creating table. So we can see the table first. Oh, this we made a mistake here. Oh, sorry, we don't have this and row is equal to 2. By row is equal to true. So is the mistake where is okay? Sorry, it's the matrix function we are going to use because it's a matrix 23. So now if I want to run it, yeah, it's working. So if I want to see the table now, also I can see table, and then this is the table now. So now I need to do the H-square test on this table. So I can let's say choice cheese test. This is the variable that is a cheese test, and then I can create a cheese ISQ Cisco dot test. This is function Cisco dot test, and then I can write here table. Cisco test table here. This is the table handle, and then if I want to just Cisco test Control C, Control V. This is for chi-square test answer that the x square is df2 and p-value equal to 3 is a data table here. So that was for this exercise until now.